are going to love the 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, fog lights, CD player, power windows, trip computer, compass, security system, rear window defroster, panic alarm. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.